Frank Martin is set to go down against Nahir Albright, and Frank the Ghost Martin having record 19-1-0. This guy is 5'8", 68 inches of reach. He defeated Francis Barthélemy, lost to Gervonta Davis, and was better than Michel Rivera. Artem Harutinian. Nahir Albright having a record of 17-0. 5'8", 70.5 inches of reach out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He defeated Kelvin Davis, Carlos Balderas. No contest against Keyshawn Davis, defeated Esteban Falcao, lost to Jermaine Ortiz. Extremely tough guy, but I believe Frank is just, a more technical boxer with better counters, and Albright is very aggressive. I mean, aggression can bring you good things, can bring you bad things, but if you're asking me, I just think Frank's technicality is gonna play a role here. So I'm gonna say Frank Martin to win, potentially via knockout or late stoppage.